Bodega Boys.
Hey, it's your boy Jesus Nice. You are here for the first annual Bodega Hive Comedy Battle. You know what I'm saying? We seen what's going on Instagram Live, and everybody's battling. You know, you got Teddy Riley battling RZA, battling Smokey Robinson. Shit is lit. So as you guys asked in the emails, we are putting some of our best and most illustrious guests are battling in this comedy competition. Up first, you know, we got fan favorite Michael Anthony. He's dialing in. Michael Anthony, are you ready?
Yo, pleasure to be here.
Michael, you're echoing. Michael.
Hello.
Michael,
Michael,
I need
you for everybody for having me here. I want to give a shout out.
Michael, turn your radio down.
Fucking bitch ass father. You know what
Michael,
I'm saying?
turn your speakers
shout
down.
Out to, you know what I mean?
Michael.
Shout out to my fucking mom, even though she's
Michael.
She makes good sauce. You know what I'm saying?
Michael,
like,
you're echoing
first
really.
and foremost, shout
you know
out
what?
to
You know what?
Julio.
Engineer, cut him off. Cut him off. Cut him off.
Why you guys
cut him
put
off?
mad angry faces in the chat?
Cut him off. Cut him off. I'm sorry, guys. We're having technical difficulties. You know, if Michael Anthony can get a Bluetooth speaker to work, who can? All right, up next, I'm looking through the chat. The fans are... Yesenia is being requested. Hold on. We're going to try and dial her up here. She has a Cricket Boost. I don't know if we'll be able to connect. Yesenia, you're on live. What's going on?
Yeah, what's good? Y'all know what time it is. I'm in the building, y'all. You know, if you feel me, like, niggas, y'all was talking wild, brazy about my OnlyFans, but it's all good. But I see y'all niggas subscribing, though, so I bought a house off this shit, so y'all can eat a dick. What's
Yesenia,
good?
I'm sorry. There's like a lag. There seems to be a 2-minute lag after I ask questions.
Yo, I don't know why you keep interrupting me for, my nigga, because, like, this is about me right now. You feel me? I'm battling right now. Like, I'm winning. Like, y'all know what time it is. I know how to work my technologies, nigga. I got
okay, all right. Can we cut her off?
I got a ring light.
She has a natural Bronx attitude.
Nigga. Don't try to play me. I got a ring light.
Next. All right, up next. We got coming up next. I'll give it up for Blue Lives Matter. We got Officer Prizzuto, the boys in blue. All right, you're already too close to the... Can you stand back? Can you stand back from the camera?
These fucking Moulignans asked me to do this fucking thing for their stupid show there.
Can you stand back? All I see is your badge number, and there seems to be masking tape on it.
I'm gonna get a, I guess I get like, brownie points with the, with the blacks and the Latins if I do this.
Sir, you're on the mic. Sir.
Yeah, so,
Officer.
Yeah, I mean, what would I do if I saw him in real life? I'd fucking shoot him. Of course I would.
All right, cut the mic off. Cut the mic off, please. All right. Oh, wow. Okay, would you look at that? Okay, we've reached our Instagram time limit. It looks like we're going to have to ask everyone to come back into the chat room. We will be moving the versus party to Mero's OnlyFans. Remember, that is the Plantain Supernova Uncut. Remember, we're going to be there. It's $29.95 if you want the extra spicy version. I have to lower my voice because I see a woman walking by my door and, do the drop.
You're listening to The Audio Art, the most dangerous podcast in the universe. Live from Milk Studios. Do the drop.
Episode 200 of the most illustrious podcast in the quarantine world
of your life.
All right, the number one podcast in a pandemic. All right,
right.
If there was a podcast during the Spanish flu, we would be them. All right,
that we straight up.
All right, we'd be out here being like, yo, you know who started this? Jews poisoning the well. Yo, it is your boy, Jesus Nice.
Yo, it's your boy. Hey, the motherfucking human giraffe.
That's right. We are coming to you live from our respective quarantine studios. We're at home with mad cooking oil and lentils, just waiting.
We're just
waiting. All right?
Wait for y'all to start slipping.
Okay. Niggas know.
So we can go looting. When are we going to start looting? What month?
Well, see, they already boarded up all the stores and shit.
Damn.
They know. They know. And then it's like the stores that's not first on the looting list, like Chanel boarded themselves up. Like, relax. Relax. All right. I'm like right now.
Purse?
I'm gonna keep it real. C-Town right now is looking like the Chanel store, if you know what I'm saying.
Yeah, for real.
Okay?
That's what the Chanel is. I need those two double C's.
All right. If you got 4 pounds of flour right now, nigga, you are Omar. You are running the streets. Right?
You need no brown.
Nigga, if you got yeast,
4 boxes of pancake mix, nigga.
If you got yeast, yo, you run the streets, my nigga. Okay? if you got yeast in your house, you're BMF right now. All right, you got billboards on top of Williamsburg like, yo, I run the streets.
Every time you come in the room, that's just us playing.
Yo, niggas start saluting you in the supermarket.
Yo, this nigga's a G. Yo.
Niggas start whispering. Niggas gotta hold their girls back like, yo. I heard that nigga got 2 bottles of adobo. What?
Oh shit, yo. You like Mitch and shit? Like you just pour season. Nigga just got the adobo cap around his neck. Like, yo, I'm broke, baby.
Fucking Pusha T making rhymes about you. Shit's real.
Yo, was at the Delano with pounds of oregano.
Okay.
Like, oh, nigga got mad spices.
He said, make our bottle girls race. This is the games we play. This is the souffle we flay.
Oh shit, no, damn, hip hop.
Just your ex nigga that cook like Bobby Flay. You're like, yo, hip hop, real chef hip hop.
Yo, niggas a lyricist.
Yo, my man's nice in the kitchen both ways. Wow. Who you think makes the best omelet in hip hop?
I was gonna say definitely Lord Finesse, just because of his physical build and his name.
Yeah.
Like it just makes sense.
Like
yo, just seeing finessing like on the non-stick pan, just flipping the shit in the air, putting mad mushrooms and little prosciutto and shit.
Some delicious shit.
You know what I mean?
Okay.
Like some exotic cheeses, little
I see
Gruyere.
that.
You know,
I see
you know
that.
what I mean?
I see that. We'll agree with that. Who in hip hop do you think makes, in theory, a good omelet following a recipe, but it doesn't taste good?
Oh. Oof.
I want to say Logic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a layup. He's super precise with the fucking
The temperature's precise.
Yo, everything, fam. He's like, no,
he's whipping it slow. He's letting some air get into it.
He's like, yo, wait, that's just a boil. We need a rolling boil. We need a rolling boil. That's not
right.
Yo, chill. You don't know the smoke point of butter? Chill, nigga.
Yeah.
Like, oh, yo, he's like, yo, I can say that because I'm half black.
Oh shit. Westside Gun is just beating the eggs with a long 45. Like, yo.
With a silencer on it.
Yo.
I'm like, got a whisk as a silencer?
Nigga just sitting, people at the table just sitting there while nervous, like,
what if he got a whisk in the Glock?
I remember I went to my boy's house. It wasn't for brunch. It was just like lunch. Because you know when you're in the hood, you don't have brunch. You just have lunch whenever. You just have breakfast whenever. So if a nigga wake up at 2, you have a breakfast at 2. And I had a picture on my Instagram of, what was it? Oh, yeah, it was a classy black and white photo. And it was like the bowl, but in the background, there was like 2 guns just chilling there. And I had to delete it when we got on MTV2. I used that to remind y'all the boys are back at MTV2. You know the vibes.
Oh shit, yeah. Syndication gang.
That's right, syndication gang. The only people moving syndication checks is Kevin James, Seinfeld, and us. All right, it's The Rock.
Yo, niggas got syndicated for 100 episodes. It's unheard of.
How you feel?
It's unheard of.
You gonna be sick. You're going to be flipping through the channels. All you're going to see is 2 broke girls, Big Bang Theory, and us. Wow. You're going to hate it.
We leading in Martin, nigga.
Wow. I'm the new Sheldon. Bazunga. Bazangas. I don't know what he even said.
Yo, and it's fully uncensored. Mm-hmm. You know what I'm saying? That's the real tea. Like, right? Like, bang. It's not going to be a bleed fest.
Yeah.
Enjoy.
Just letting a curse.
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to Viacom CBS. They like Viacom CBS new motto is y'all niggas was right.
Fuck
so, it literally says that in front of 1550.
Hey, listen. Hey, niggas fuck up.
Niggas fuck up. Hey. That's what life is for, all right? It's about learning. It's about experiences.
It's all good, baby, right?
It's all good. Shout out to Showtime. We still out there. Still making the #1 show at late night. You know what I mean? Survived a rough week, but you know, we still here, baby.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying?
Webcam still popping.
Webcam still popping. Ring light still popping. Still got the heavy cables connected to my MacBook. Still using the MacBook 4K screen to watch that quality Pinot.
Fam, niggas whole cribs is looking like TV studios. Stop it. It's not stopping.
It's true. Like I was thinking about it before we started recording today. I was like, you know, it's gonna be a happy day, but it's gonna be also a sad day when we gotta box all this equipment up and send it back.
Like, yo, take that.
And then I was like, you know what? No, because I'm gonna lie and say someone broke in and stole it all.
That's perfect. That's a great idea. You
and
know,
then Showtime's gonna be like, how come you're broadcasting this new illegal show that looks exactly like the show you were doing with our equipment? I was like,
No, I was like, yo, niggas are gonna wild out when we go to the office and the fucking feds bust in and snatch up Victoria and shit for selling all this equipment because I used her name and social to fence all the equipment.
I'm putting all this shit in a crate.
Like, yo, what the fuck, boss?
I'm sending all this shit to North Korea. Just sending it. I'll be like, yeah. I'll be like, yeah. It's MTV2. Yeah.
It's right there. Come on.
They're gonna try to arrest us. They'll be like, you're Shane's boys. I was like,
wow. Yo, pull Hennessy up. Yo, let's get it. Yo, so now you niggas stop complaining about being like, yo, I can't see your shit because it's on premium cable, not on basic cable. The basicest of cables.
It's there. You know what I mean? And it's on YouTube, and and you got the podcast.
It's all over the place.
Still nasty.
It's everywhere.
Still sloshing around.
You know what I'm saying? Podcast is still that shit that you know what I'm saying? If you stick a knife in it, nigga, you just fucking take a scoop of that shit and rub it on your gums.
Just test it.
So you can't feel your face.
Be like, yo, this is that good shit. Yo,
I can't feel my
Yo. Yeah. And we're not talking that weekend I can't feel your face. I can't feel my face. We're talking that I can't feel my face called EMS.
Yeah, right? Like yo, bro, my heart's racing. Yo.
Like that kind of when you do drugs and you get to that point where you think you're about to die, but you're feeling so good you don't want to like say anything.
Yeah, you're like, yo, let me just sit like, silently.
Fuck it. If I go, I go. In your head, you're like, yo, I can stop myself. I'm gonna just keep going a little closer, a little closer, a little closer.
Yo, shout out to my homeboys that listen to this shit because I know they were there for this. I got so high one time, bro, that I went outside because I was like, yo, I need air. Because I really felt like, yo, I'm going to die. Like, if I don't get air right now. I went outside and I sat down next to my man's building in a puddle, and just sat in a puddle on some high shit. But I was so smacked out of control. Like, yo, I was like, yo, I'm floating. Like, I was like, yo, this feels amazing, but I'm going to die. And then I was just like, yo, damn, is it cool if I die like this? I was like, yo, damn, nah, that'd be whack. Niggas just find me in a puddle and shit. It's mad cold out. They'd be like, yo, why is he sitting in a puddle in January?
New York Post be like, Puddle Boy dies mysteriously.
Yo, puddlemonia. Like
they'd be like, he died of
Debbie.
And they'd be like, yo, you died in a puddle of your own urine.
That'll change it. It was a cold world.
For that.
It was a cold world, but this guy sure wasn't a genius.
Oh, this nigga peed on himself.
He sat on a fucking puddle and peed on himself and died and froze to death.
Yeah, I had one of those once. That Molly was hitting. I just like muttering underneath my breath. I was like, I'm gonna die.
Yeah.
I'm gonna die. Yeah. People were like, what? And I couldn't like raise my voice. But I didn't. I'm still here. Boom, boom, boom. Couldn't kill your favorite bitch. You know what I'm saying? Out here.
You tight.
Out here, a steady diet of riding in New York City subways, eating food in bookings and in New York City schools, and what else? Living in the Bronx, so you know, high asthma rates. All that sitting in the back of New York City buses, back when the roaches would live back there. You know what I mean?
All that shit.
Also, our lungs have a good coating of asbestos on it, so that helps.
True.
Mm-hmm. People forget about that.
People forget about a lot of things. Girls from the Bronx.
Technically, all native New Yorkers are Avengers.
Facts. They all have a mutant power. Girls from the Bronx can't get UTIs because they ride the train and then they play with themselves. You know what I'm saying?
Okay. All right.
The fucking
all right. I would like to apologize for the comments. I'd like to on behalf of MTV2. I'd like to apologize for the comments from
MTV2's like fuck
from Guy Code star Kid Mero.
Yeah, niggas got like 2.5 jokes on that Guy Code. That was good. That's the best part of Guy Code is that niggas have no idea.
Niggas did a lot of jokes.
Dropping bombs. We were dropping bombs on Guy Code, and them shits are never. They're in some weird file folder somewhere in like 1515, never to be seen.
Never to be seen.
Because them niggas don't throw shit away. I remember in the fucking when we were there in the swag chamber, they had a whole fucking file cabinet full of drives, full of shit. I'm like, yo, what is this?
Niggas can't, just you make a song on it and the song is on it, you can't get the licensing for it, or the production company doesn't exist anymore.
Shit.
The game is the game, baby. It's Hollywood, baby. Said that a long time ago. You gotta be in it to win it, baby, dog.
It's Hollywood, baby. That's right.
It's just Hollywood.
It's just some rules, baby.
You know what it is, Hollywood.
You gotta play the game.
You play it or it's gonna play you, baby. It's like I was telling Quincy Jones the other day. He called me. He was like, "Jesus, baby." I was like, "Q, what's going on? He was like, nothing. I was just jerking off a monkey. And I was like, my man Q, let me talk to you real quick now.
Talk to
Now, there's some jive turkeys on Twitter that says, your daughter's not black.
Say word.
I mean, like, I'm like, her name's Rashida. What white woman you know named Rashida?
I mean, come on now. That's some foolery. What is that? Is that on the Twitter?
It's on the Twitters. It's on the Bojangles, on the Tumblrs, on the Books of Face.
You know what? I'm a go, brother. I gotta wipe my face with $100 bills.
All right, you
It's
do
my
that.
exfoliation.
All right. I'll talk to you later. I'm riding on the back of my maid. I'll have her carry me back to my mansion. Okay, bye.
Oh, by the way, I made Thriller.
Oh, yeah, that you did. It did. The streets of Thriller. Thank you.
Holla at your boy. Peace out.
Holla.
Yo, that's the craziest shit in the world. Yo, I see that shit and I was just like, I'm like, yo, I'm not going on Twitter today. I was like, fuck this. I was like, yo, niggas are, yo, shorty's her name is Rashida.
It's the youngins. They don't know nothing, man.
Yo, I'm like, yo, y'all gotta stop, bro. Y'all fucking Tumblr motherfuckers. Stop it. I'm about to go into full Chris Crocker mode and shit. Like, leave her alone. Leave her alone.
Fine.
Leave her
It'll
alone.
be fine.
Yeah, fuck out of here. Niggas is doing that.
Fine. Niggas is chilling. Shout out to her. Her new show.
That's what I'm saying.
Twitter didn't like it, but I'm like, you guys couldn't have all watched it that fast. You guys just watched the first episode and didn't like it.
Yeah,
You know,
it's like an album. It's like, yo, niggas will wait 20 minutes after an album drops. I'm like, yo, the album's an hour long. You waited 20 minutes to drop a review. How?
Well, I mean, no, you gotta watch the whole thing. Like, there's no way you could have watched the whole thing. Like,
You gotta, like, niggas don't understand, like, when you write a TV, there's an arc. There's an arc.
Yeah, niggas gotta watch the arc. Watch the throne.
Come on, guys. You know what I'm saying? You gotta watch the whole thing, but you gotta understand it.
That's the only way you'll learn. Now, it's a good show. It's supposed to be like Curb Your Enthusiasm. And it's like the characters are nasty. It's kind of cool.
It gives me big Curb vibes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Shut the Curb. There's no more Curb. So there you go.
Yeah, Curb is done.
You know what I'm saying? You could tie off to that. You know what I'm saying? You could tie off to Black AF.
Black AF. Should have named shows after hashtags though. That's a bad idea.
Is that like saying the year in a song? You know what I'm saying? Like, you know how people are like, yo, this is for 2007, yo. You know what I'm saying? And you listen to the song and you're like, oh, wow, this was 2007? Ooh.
Yeah. It's like, it dates the song.
It's like,
Shout out to Ruben Stuttered. Listen to this. Like, fuck. They always reminded me of that shit.
They always fucking, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for 2004. I'm like, damn, I know that sounds redundant, but like, yeah.
That could have been like a huge, like,
just call it sorry, nigga.
Song.
Just call it sorry.
Oh, nigga had to add the 04. It's probably one of the boys in his crew, like, yo. Add the 04. So niggas
I'm sorry, 4. It's like Jay-Z's 2 2s. Like, no, it's not. Nigga, no, it's not.
Damn.
Not at all.
The niggas know.
We don't even need. Not every week is just like, okay, like, Corona got, you know what I'm saying? We're all indoors. We're all quarantined. We know this.
Mm-hmm.
Now it's like every week is like, what are we looking forward to? Battles. You know what I'm saying?
Probably just living. Just, you know, like,
you know
being alive. Or smashing a 30-minute hit training ride on the Peloton.
Oh, shit. Talk about it.
I did it.
You up here doing steep inclines and shit like that? That shit used to kill me.
Climb rides, all that shit, dog. I'm out there killing it, dog. Working out hard, cursing in my living room.
When I was in school, I had to take mandatory. I had to take like a physical type of class or whatever. So I took weightlifting, and niggas did cardio before the weightlifting. And we got on the bike, and it was like you adjust the incline and this, that, the third. Yo, fam, we did 45 minutes on that shit before we lifted weights, and I was like, yo, I'm good. I was like, after the 45 minutes, I was like, I'm straight. I'm like, I don't need to lift any weights. I'm like, I'm gonna die. I was like, my heart is gonna burst out of my mouth in 10 seconds. But
and that shit don't even be like, you could choose how long it is. Pause. No, not pause. Sorry. Listen, I'm not gonna lie. I am regressing. I am losing all my wokeness. Living in the Bronx now. Yo, I had to go to the supermarket this morning because, you know, Sunday is the best time to go because like less people and all that shit. Yo, okay, first of all, there's one line for all the registers, and then they tell you where to go in the register.
Are they doing like the staggered entry thing? Like they're only letting like 20 people.
No,
in
now
time
their
or
new
something?
thing is like you gotta have a mask to go in there. So niggas is online, and like there's a couple in front of me. I'm doing my 6 feet. Told the nigga behind me, yo, you're too close. Cause I could do that. Cause I'm not Desus. I'm just a nigga with a mask on my face, so I can be as rude as I want. You know, might be using racial slurs. You'll never find out about it.
Yeah.
So then, this guy comes in. He's trying to get in the supermarket, and they're like, "You can't come in without a mask." He's like, "Fuck that, I'm coming in. Fuck that, I'm coming in." And he tries to push his way past security. And niggas is like, "Yo, what the fuck you doing?" And he's like, "I serve for this country, and this is how you treat me? Wild dope fiend."
Wow.
You know what I'm saying? Get the fuck out of here. So the nigga that's like running the line has to go fight, like kind of handle this guy, and then mad people was trying to skip the main line. So now I'm yelling at people like, "Yo, there's one line, and I had to yell at the couple in front of me like, "Go to the register, yo!" Like, what the fuck? And I'm like, "Yo, this can't continue." Like,
This
people
is
are
like
people are getting very feral right now.
This is the prequel to The Division.
Yeah, listen.
It's just
Shout out
mad,
to The Division.
It's just mad pedestrian. Like, yo, niggas fighting at the supermarket and shit.
No.
Like beef at the laundromat.
Shout out to The Division. I finally started because I've been bullshitting, and I forgot like the first time I installed Division 2, it just crashed. It kept crashing, and I just never went back to it. So I started playing it again last night. That they fixed a lot of the bugs that were in the Division 1, and then like the beginning story where they were like, the virus came, we survived, and then the next cutscene they were like, the virus came, food was scarce. Did you have a gun? And I was like, And the next one, they were like, the virus came. Neighbors turned on neighbors. Some survived. I was like, oh, shit. So now when I'm walking, it's definitely Division time. I'm looking for the hyenas. You know what I'm saying? I got the iron kit. I'm behind. I'm in the aisle. Like, yo, I'm like doing the scanner to see how many people's around.
Like, yo, niggas making a gun from scratch. Like,
Okay.
yo, fuck it. I'm gonna craft this shit.
I'm in the cheese aisle. I'm making a 45 out of queso de papa. Like, yo, what's up? What's up? Just shooting at niggas. Niggas is like, it's a living. I thought being a hyena would be better than this.
Yeah, that's wild. Yo, that shit is.
But then also shout out today, because the Bronx will always be the Bronx. Shout out to the local thugs and them. They decided they were going to take over the Cross Bronx Expressway on dirt bikes and ATVs, and NYPD decided they would answer by shutting down the entrance to the on Bruckner Boulevard to the 3rd Avenue Bridge, and then the other entrance, and they blocked it so only one car at a time could enter the bridge, causing a huge traffic jam. And when the dirt bike people were coming back, they just all like went up a one-way street, because guess what? They're dirt bikes and they weren't following the laws anyway.
Cars,
so the cops were chasing them. I'm watching all this from our window. This shit is hilarious. And then when the dirt bike people got away and then buzzed by the cops again just to fuck with them, just like, you can't catch us.
Fam.
I was like, oh, this is so whimsical. This is the New York I moved here from Iowa for.
Yo, I see that shit. I don't know if it had to be the same thing, because I seen it on Twitter. It was a video of a cop trying to snatch one dude off his bike, and the dude,
bike hit the cop car, and then he ran off.
And the nigga ran off, and then the cop ran after him and fell down.
Yeah.
I was like, yo.
Because right now it's mad easy, because all the guys on bikes was always wearing masks anyway, but now everyone's wearing masks.
Everyone's wearing masks.
Yeah, so
You know what's crazy? Like, it's wild that there's people actually getting out there getting sick, and I'm a dickhead, because I'm like looking outside like, yo, it's dumb sweet to do graffiti right now. This is like the absolute. We'll just walk around broad daylight doing graffiti and nobody would say shit.
yeah.
You know what I'm saying? But I'm just like, yo, that's very irresponsible.
People would just be like, "Why are you doing that?"
I'd be like, yo, because there's no cops around and they're not trying to get a coronavirus.
People will call the cops on you though.
You know what I'm saying? It's like doing it during a blizzard. You know what I'm saying? There's nobody out. The only people out are cops and buses. You know what I'm saying? So
It's it's different. It's different than the blizzard though, because it's just a regular day. Like if it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon and I see someone doing graffiti, I'm calling the cops. I'm a new Jesus.
That's the crazy
Matter of
shit.
fact,
Like,
also division shit, I'm gonna shoot a flare in the air.
nigga said to shoot a flare. The crazy shit about
All right, you wait right here, Buster. All right, when one of the other district agents get in here, you're in trouble, man.
You're in big
in trouble. All right, we're taking you to the post office. All right.
The craziest shit is that, like, I love like in New York, people that call the cops on graffiti writers, because they're like, yo, they call cops and
And the cops ain't taking that shit serious.
They think the cops are gonna show up like in 10 seconds and grab a nigga. I'm like, yo, fam, by the time the cops get here, like if they give a shit, I'm already on the Bruckner, dog, doing 80 in the left lane to the next exit.
I remember I lived with Shorty and she had to get up early in the morning. She had to be at work at like 8. And so it's 2:00 in the morning, and across the street from us was a boys' home. You know what I'm saying? Like a boys' group home for the badass kids, the kids that their parents dropped them at the precinct. Like, yo, that's y'all problem now.
I don't give a fuck. Take this nigga, man. I can't.
And I don't know what happened, but apparently one of these young hooligans decided they were going to bring a speaker outside and play the best of Drake. So it's like 3 in the morning, and you got baby, you are girlfriend, like just singing like best I ever had, like all that shit, like all his early shit. And you know, she's like, yo, do something. So I'm like, I could go across the street and confront these 3 guys and get the shit stomped out of me, or I will do the suburban punk move and I will use my phone. Yeah. And I called not 911 because I'm not a dick. I called 311 and I was like, I want to do a noise complaint. And the lady was like, yo, I'm gonna be, she was like, all right, give me the information. And she was like, yeah. She was like, yeah, a cop will be there in the next 48 hours. I was like, what does that help?
Next 48 hours.
I was like, it's Sunday night. What does it help if a cop shows up on Tuesday? And the tone of her voice was like, you know, they have other things to do in this precinct. And I was like, yeah, you're right. You're right. Murders. I get it.
Yo, like, yo, you got some balls, nigga. Like, yo, we're all in fucking Mitchell and fucking.
So because I was living a wild life at the time, my other thought was I should probably just go buck a shot and make them go aside. But thankfully I didn't, because that would not have ended well.
Smart move.
That would not have ended well.
Yeah.
Can't just be
busting a shot in the air.
You can't just be busting guns.
You can't just be busting a shot in the air for no reason. Yo, you know? But that'll clear shit out real quick. That's the best. Like that was a very much a go to. Like if you just bust a shot in the air, like niggas are out of there. Like if there's more than 15 people, they're out. You know what I'm saying?
I remember unless there's another dude with a gun. I went to a house. Oh yeah, shout out to my man Devon. His cousin was visiting from Baltimore because she was messing with some New York guy she met online, strike one. And so she comes to the Bronx, and then like she's chilling at his house, and then all of a sudden like we don't see her. And then like, oh, she went to a barbecue and a house party 4 blocks away. And we're like, we don't even go to barbecues and house parties 4 blocks away. So, you know, because we were living a wild life, you know, we got the gat. You know, we went down to the bar, and there was mad people in the street. Shout out to Eli Avenue. It's this long ass block, and it's like one side is wild elevated from the other side.
Yep.
And so we're out there, and then this Crip kid comes. And he's like, yo, he comes and he pulls out the burner and he's pointing at niggas. He's like, yo, all you blood niggas is wild pussy. Y'all niggas is pussy. Like hitting niggas with the guns and shit. And then he blicks off. He lets off a shot. And now everyone's running, but I'm there with my man, rest in peace, Box. And he was kind of like starting to lose it mentally. So he was like, yo, D, give me a burner. And I was like everything froze. And I was like, look at us. I never thought. And then I was like, if I give it to him, he's definitely gonna kill this kid. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. And then what if there's like a video that I passed it to him and all this shit? And also, he doesn't really need to kill this kid. This kid had on like, I think he had like a blue Kango on. Like, come on.
Yeah, no.
You know, like come on.
You can't shoot a nigga in a Kango. You
can't be the Crip Kevin James. I'm sorry.
Yeah,
all right.
Put that on a t-shirt. You can't shoot a nigga in a Kango.
Yes, you know. So anyway, I was like, let's just get out of here. We just got out of there. The kid got arrested though. So you know.
Now don't be a bozo and start shooting shots in the air all the time because they triangulate them shits.
Yeah, they have the shot tracer shit. Yeah, and then they'll catch you. They had it. I remember the first time I saw it was in Chicago when I went to go with my ex, and like she was like, oh, like she was like, yeah, my cousins live in the wild hundreds, and I was like, this is gonna feel dangerous. And I got there, and all of a sudden I felt like, wow, this feels like the Bronx. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that sign. It says no gang recruiting in this park. Oh, wow. Shucks. Home sweet home. Every place has a hood. Then I did a Bollywood dance sequence with mad vice lords and shit. Like, yo. We in the shy. In the shy. Yo.
Scooby-Doo.
Hey, wow. Let's go get some hot dogs at that place where they insult you. I'll see you later. Mero, look at that. It's the bean.
Oh, wow. Yo, take a picture of it. It looks like I'm holding it up.
Oh, listen. Say 1, 2, 3, the shy. Yeah. Don't get disturbed. We're hanging with Herbo. We are doing the shy.
Hey, shoo-doo-wow. Yo.
The Shy was filmed in front of a studio audience.
Yo. No, let's go and plan it. We're winning a Tony for that.
Mm-hmm. We are.
Yo.
We just walk in. I was like, hey, Mero. And then there's like mad applause. Like, it was like the wild studio audience.
Yeah, as soon as you just walk on the camera, niggas start applauding. Like, yo, what the fuck?
I'm like, yo, this shit. I'm like, yo, like, relax. Like, just walk in like, hey, Mero, hey.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Hey, Mero, have you seen my limited edition Michael Jordan jersey? You know, from when he won with the Chicago Bulls?
That's a Chicago Wild Tradition history story. The show jokes don't even make sense. You're like, yo, why do these niggas sound like fucking
We just gotta make a
robots?
show because everyone wants us to make a show about the Bronx. We gotta make a show about somewhere else we know nothing about and just keep making cultural references in the show as if we know what the fuck we're talking about.
Yo, we
can make a show. Should we make a show about LA? We kind of know enough about LA. I'm like, hey, Mero, I just landed at LAX and I'm heading over to the Grove. I'm walking there now.
Okay, meet me at the True Religion store.
Hey, Mero, sorry I'm late. I've been circling in front of the Staples Center looking for on-the-street parking.
Oh, that's easy to find. If you go behind the stadium, there's an alleyway.
Okay,
there.
I'll check that out.
I'm going to take an Uber there. It's going to cost 50 cents.
Also, Mero, I found a brunch spot for us. It's in West Hollywood. I hope that's not a problem because I know you're homophobic and, well... Listen. Showtime, cut that check.
Yo, cut that check.
Showtime, let us remake every show that's ended on HBO. They're not doing nothing with it.
Facts.
Let's do 6. We're gonna do 6 Feet Under, but we have sex with the bodies.
Yo. Showtime After Dark, Holla at your boys. Necrophilia.
You don't want to see that? This is gonna be like a wild tender scene. They're playing Sia in the background while Mero's getting naked around a corpse.
Yo, getting Tommy from
They're playing Breathe Me.
Niggas getting Tommy from a cadaver. No.
Oh, Mero's like, I told you I'd get you.
Yeah.
I told you it was just a matter of time. I've seen you looking at me. Every time I pull you out that fighter,
it's like, yo,
I see you.
Instead of 6 feet under, it's 9 inches deep.
You know, if you don't want me to have my way with you, just blink. Not many bodies look this good after 5 days.
Oh, yeah. Stunning.
Your family wants me to cremate you, but I think I'm just going to set you on fire one more time with my dick.
I'll be fucked up. You get the wild fucking STD from a corpse. From a corpse.
No, it's just it's kind of just wild fucked up if you have sex with a corpse.
Yeah, facts. Yeah, facts.
Like you can't when you get to the pearly gates, St. Peter's not gonna be like, oh, remember when you got the STD for fucking a corpse? Nah, he's gonna turn on the megaphone and be like, this nigga's fucking dead people. This nigga fucked Mrs. Milgren. Milgren, come over here.
Oh, you nasty little motherfucker, you. I've been waiting for this moment for all my eternal afterlife. You know.
What if Milgren grabs the mic and was like, he at the bottom though?
I mean, I'm not gonna front. I was dead, but I nutted.
He blew that shit up. And I put that on everything. Like, yo, relax, Mildred.
Yo, take it easy, yo. God damn, yo, put your drawers back on. God damn, put your boobs back on.
She's there with her husband of like 80 years. He's like, you, Mildred, you died 2 days after I did.
What the fuck?
Well, you know, I had to get my groove back. And, well, you know, the car broke down in Patterson. And, well, you know, he helped me. He asked me if I wanted a boost, and then, you know, I went to the basement, and he says he has a TV show, and, you know, it's like he has really big hands.
Yeah, all right.
He did this thing. He crushed an apple.
I guess that's all right.
He says he did graffiti back in the day, So when he spelled his name on my face using his semen, and well,
it's all right. I mean, you know, I've been having sex with every babysitter I ever had, so you know.
In heaven?
Yeah, I mean, you know.
You think heaven is like a sex party and there's like everyone's
Imagine?
naked, and every cloud just has like mad condoms and lube.
I'm gonna mute my
Yo,
mic.
imagine you like everybody's just having wild consensual sex. Like, yo,
What if you don't? But what if you don't want to? What if you still upset? You just died.
Yeah. There's like,
What if you, like-
then there's a VIP for you. You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, there's like a VIP morning section. Like, damn, I'm dead. And then when you get over it, you get to come out and fuck everybody.
What makes you
know
get
what I'm
over it? I'm gonna be tight that I died. I'm not gonna lie.
I mean, you can stay in there as long as you want. It's like purgatory, but like lit because there's a bar. It's open bar.
But
You know what I'm
purgatory is supposed to be for people who are in between judgment. So why do I want to be with them niggas?
That's what I'm saying. So it's just like, oh, that's you to spice it up. You have open bar and shit. You have different themes. You know what I'm saying? You can
I
watch
think
Instagram
Mero hasn't
battles.
properly thought out his heavily hookah bar. Okay? I don't know if I'll be spending my money at Club Heaven, located on Dykeman.
Yo,
Your logo is just P.O. dressed as Baby Cupid.
yo,
Welcome to the afterlife, my nigga.
yo, it's yellow. I'm like, yo, wait. Not that one.
The only heaven where the clouds are made of hookah smoke. I'm like, oh, jeez. What if heaven is just Dykeman Avenue?
Yo, I wouldn't even be mad. I'd be like, yo, I'll go get some fried fish and just.
I didn't
weed.
finish that statement, sir.
Oh no.
Dykeman Avenue. In 2046.
No.
AKA Williamsburg North.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Wait till Perota's store is replaced by 13 chairs.
Oh my
'Cause
god.
They
I'm
were like,
gonna throw up
yo.
in my mouth. I'm gonna
Yeah,
be the
like,
old
yo.
head, like, yo, yo.
If that happens, we sitting in front every day scaring the customers.
Like, yo, fuck out of
In
here.
fact-
like the two dudes that hit the Banksy. Like, yo,
Yep,
why you
exactly.
coming here? Yo, y'all don't know when the hood was the hood, motherfucker. Like, just,
Exactly.
Like, we just sound like
In
DMX.
fact, if you need two native New Yorkers to scare a place that is gentrifying once this corona is over,
Yep.
call Victor and we will come out and we will boon it up. Remember how like Black Lives Matter used to run into restaurants and read the names of people murdered by cops? We won't be doing that, but we will. What will we do?
Stare niggas down when they like.
We'll
stand in the
call.
entrance.
We'll make mad reservations and book up before it's time to go. You know that? We do that.
Man.
We will come in and we'll do a lot of off the menu orders. You know what I mean? That
everything
kind of
up.
thing. Fuck that
everything
up. We're gonna come in a group of 10 and split the check 10 ways.
Yep.
Ooh.
Debit
And
card
no.
and cash.
Oh,
Mixed.
not even
And
better.
credit card, debit, and cash.
Even
All that.
better. We're gonna have 5 people with cards, 3 people paying cash, and then 2 people who are gonna give cash to a person who changes their mind at the last minute and gives you a card that's declined. So
Yep.
you're gonna have to make several trips.
Boom.
All right? Do you want this economic terrorism?
Huh?
Bro.
Huh?
You don't want these problems.
You don't want these problems?
Then
Okay.
the one dude that's like, yo, hold me down, yo, like I'll pay you back. I got like.
How you feel when the Martinez family makes 4 straight back-to-back reservations and wants 4 high chairs? You under that pressure? You ready for
tight.
that?
You tight.
Okay. All right?
Reservation for 8.
make-
Show up with 10.
Okay. Boom. Boom.
On a Friday, Saturday night when they're busy.
Yo.
May as well be 20.
Yo. Oh, I'm sorry.
Let me get
Your
4 bottles
restaurant-
of wine just to let you know what type of night it's gonna be, little nigga. Let me get 5
Wow.
bottles of wine and start.
Wow, your kitchen closes at 12? Wow, look at me walking in with 20 people at 11:59.
Oh, you hate to see it.
Hate to see it.
Yeah, I'm ready
Hate
to order
see
right
it.
now. I'm ready to order right now before I even sit
Yeah.
down. What's good?
Yeah.
What's
Matter of
good?
fact, oh wow, you guys close at 10 and we've been here through 7? Oh wow, we're just gonna sit here for another hour for no reason. Just talking.
Keep the water coming.
To make it even worse, we're gonna ask you to take our photo in the nice done.
You tight.
Be sick. And we're gonna tag you in the shit. Domestic dinner terrorists.
Yeah.
We're the new we're like ISIS but for dinner table services at restaurants, so we are les ISIS.
Les so.
Lesist. Do not resist, lesist.
Yo. Oh,
Yo,
shit.
you know what? Shout out to
Like a
Ivan.
militia for bougie niggas.
I believe that's a remix of a Gangstar song.
Oh shit, Militia. Yo,
niggas.
Yo, motherfucking Freddie Fox, Pumpy Knuckles.
So I know this is gonna be hard for people to believe. Apparently, I've been mispronouncing something.
Oh no. What? What?
Apparently, there's an anti-black store that sells cooking goods.
Oh no.
And the last word in their name is not pronounced the way it's written out. Okay? I thought it was called Sur La Table.
Sur La Table.
No.
I'll allow it.
If it's Sur La Table, why is there an LE, bro? Huh? And I don't mean law enforcement. Like, what's going on? Spell it the way you want to be spelled. You know what I mean?
His mama named him Cassius. I'm gonna call him Cassius.
What is this?
Yeah.
I'm like Amazon. I'm like Alexa. Nearest directions to the nearest Sur La Table. All right.
It's like, do you mean Sur La Table, you bum ass?
Bro, you just made my Alexa go off.
It's just this common knowledge.
Hip hop is the next skill.
Yo.
Alexa, go to Pornhub. Play Big Wet Butts.
Not that advanced yet.
It's like, what, nigga? He's like, nigga, you're wildin'. Shorty's right there.
Alexa, play real hip hop. A lot of people, we got Cash App to pay Jeff Bezos a lot of money to put that as a secret backdoor in all Amazon products. In case of an emergency, that's how me and Mero and Victor and Di and Victoria, if she's still alive, will be able to be activated to fight whatever pandemic. It's like The Division, but for real hip hop.
Oh shit!
So we're gonna be back. So it's like me, Mero, and Victor battling back to back against like enemies of hip hop.
Fam. It's like Call of Duty, except when you open up the fucking little briefcase, there's turntables in it instead of a bomb.
You see the fucking vision. All right, Victor, cover my 6 with the TR-808.
You know, it'd be a fucking buzzkill. I don't know why I'm imagining this, but you know how like in a movie where it's just like Act 3, but like Part 2 of Act 3, which is like you've been trying to like stave off death and it looks like he's about to get you. Yo, with the people building this tech, I feel like Macklemore would probably show up to save us, like at the very, very end, to give us that extra life.
Macklemore goes.
But he's mad nice. I can't slander him. But he can't really rap. He's nice.
And he's here. He's like, I'm here to save you, and I'm like, I'd rather die to get help from you. Okay.
Yo,
no, it's gonna be the movie is gonna end on like a split scene, and we have 2 choices of who's gonna save us: KRS-One or Macklemore.
Macklemore will go away when it's all over. Like he's got a good life. He made his money. Like he'll just be like, he'll just be genuinely happy to help you and be like, like I get it. He'll treat us. But when the movie Kendrick Lamar over text, so like I'm okay with that. It's not ideal, but it ain't bad either.
But when the movie reopens in the sequel, right when we're about to make a choice, a Sophie's choice, that's a Hollywood term. You guys don't know what that means. No, we don't have to make a choice because the ghost of Big L comes to us like Yoda. There you go. Big L, rest in peace.
But then we'll just remember that he's like mad murderous and not helpful at all. He'll probably just call us pussy.
Remember he was like,
yeah, niggas this pussy. I shoot this nigga myself.
Yeah.
Remember he was like, if I get AIDS, every cutie in the city got it. I'm like,
I was like,
yeah.
He said that, and I went back and I got on Ask Jeeves, and I was like, how do I invent a problematic light? Back then in the 90s, the problematic light, you just turned your beeper on and off. Just to get that.
It beeped you 911.
You heard that vibrate. You're like, they're like, oh, I'm wilding. I'm sorry.
That's what this nigga said in that song. My beeper can't beep it because every song on this album is problematic.
When your man was wilding, you had to send him the beeper code AO. He read it. He's like, Ayo.
Ayo.
Wildin'. We calm this shit down,
you really
bro.
had a beeper. I remember. Fam, I used to walk into Staples and just. I was dying for a beeper at like 12 years old. I don't know who was gonna call me. Who was gonna? But I was dying for a beeper at Staples.
I had to have the beeper to impress tall Guyanese Pamela who lived over by Boston Road. Okay.
Yo, this shit is wild, and I'm not even joking right now.
She was beautiful, and her hair smelled a little like curry, so it was cool.
Can you guys explain to us how a beeper works? Because, I was just young enough, whereas, at 13 and you had a beeper, it's like, yo, what are you doing? Like, you clearly just took your dad's. but like I don't really know truly how a beeper works because you can't
So
talk
get
into
this.
it.
It was like sometimes it was like $20 a month. What happened was it was like the beeper was a domain name kind of thing. Your beeper had a phone number.
Okay.
So people when it was just the text version, the people would call the number and you'd punch in numbers and there'd be the codes like I love you, blah blah blah, boob, shit like that. Then when you went to like Sky Pager and alphanumeric pagers, what would happen is you'd end up calling an operator. And then you'd punch in like a person's 4 to 6 digit ID, unless they had Sky Pager Pro through Motorola, which meant they were either a doctor, a drug dealer, or them niggas was balling. Because if you had Sky Pager Pro, you had a direct number and you didn't have to talk to an operator. Like they were like they knew exactly what pager the message was going to. And I think you had up to 240 lyrics, but you couldn't curse. So if you were like, yo, fuck you, they'd be like, yo, fudge you, or they'd be like, they just like put pound signs or asterisks. Because I remember one of my exes decided she was going to play the fool and like light up my alphanumeric pager all night. Because the other thing is, it wasn't unlimited. So you got like 60 alphanumeric messages for your time period. So Shorty was like, and that wasn't, you could send 60. That was like 60 back and forth.
Period.
So people wasn't like texting you like, yo, WID, LOL. Like you couldn't do that. It was like, yo, give me everything I need to know for one day in this one message you send me. Okay. And make sure send it after 9 because that's when I get free nights and weekends. All right.
Yo, free nights and weekends was real.
That was a game changer.
How much that pro joint cost? Because I'm still trying to envision how this makes it like easier or better.
Regular pager something was like 20 a month, and I think the pro joint was 60 a month.
Damn.
And then you had to pay something like $350 for the pager, but if you was getting money, it was no big thing, baby. And then if you shout out to Rockefeller, if you did good at Rockefeller, they gave you either a Motorola Accompli or a Motorola Time Port, which looked like a clam. And everyone had that, and that's how you knew if you was balling. All the niggas that took us to Summer Jam had that. And shout out to Kimbo Hip Hop, who works at Rockefeller. He didn't have one, but I was like, yo, I want to get one of those. And that was like when I was in a room with him and my little sister, and Jay-Z came in, and he was giving out copies of Backstage, their movie that had just dropped. And I had downloaded and burned mad copies of it because a ripping group KSI had dropped it. And like Jay-Z gave me a copy for free because what Rockefeller would do, I'm snitching right now. Sometimes, I'm not going to say it. But they would give out copies. And he gave it to me, and I wanted to be like, yo, I already got it. But I was like, that's Jay, so I'm just taking it.
Yo, thank you so much.
Yo, so what year was this roughly? Is this Biggie still alive years? Is this Lil Wayne is on top years?
This is Biggie still alive.
Whoa. Yo, it's crazy now. I used to always have this argument because like
actually Biggie has a cell phone. This was before Biggie. Biggie was still alive.
There was a time where like Jay-Z was an afterthought to all the other rappers. I remember by the time when I was like still and like relatively recently, like 10 years ago, people were still wondering like who's going to be that next huge mainstream rapper, and everybody was like, "Yo, it's going to be Lil Wayne." And then what added fuel to the fire was
I gotta disagree as a New Yorker. Because remember Lil Wayne, the Carter, that whole thing had allusions of S. Carter, and then Lil Wayne had the song "Oh Mr. Carter."
Very true.
He had Jay on it.
Yeah, but here's the thing. Jay-Z decides to retire with the Black Album. Retire, and people believe him. So when he comes out of retirement,
wow, you guys believe the Brooklyn nigga? Wow.
Wow. What does he drop? But what album does he drop?
What is it?
Kingdom Come. He drops the Budweiser album, and I was just like,
yes.
Oh, yeah.
And everybody was like,
so I was like,
I completely forgot about that. Yo, that was a wild dog.
But
he was like, yo, I drink Budweiser.
Her lady.
Go back and look at the amount of money he made for that. I believe Budweiser paid for production on the album. Yeah. Jay-Z's made very smart decisions like that we thought were flops. Remember when he dropped the Black Album came out on that Nokia half bat phone that nobody would ever buy? Yeah. And then remember when he dropped Magna Carta on the Samsung phone? All these deals, if you look behind the scenes, he's getting pockets, and then the albums are platinum before they even hit the streets. Yeah. So it's like, I'm
not saying he didn't make super smart business decisions. What I'm saying is though, like, it's crazy for like, there was a time where like it was in doubt that like Jay-Z might be like the next like rapper, the one with like the most staying power.
Oh yeah.
And it's just like, and during that time, exactly, it's just like, you hear that today and it's just like, yo, you got something from Jay-Z direct. Of course you're going to take it. Like back in that time, it probably didn't really feel that way.
You know what's the crazy shit about that argument? If you think about it, like if you ask a nigga, it's so regional. Cause somebody like the one I see all the time is like, yo, Mobb Deep versus Outkast. Like, yo, what was the more popping group? And I'm like, yo, to me, I'm like, yo, Mobb Deep. But I'm like, yo, the whole reason it's more popping to me is because like there's memories attached to this shit. Like, you know what I mean? Like I was listening to that shit, smoking dust, doing graffiti, doing all types of stupid shit. So I'm just like, yo, this shit. Of course, this shit is better than Outkast. I'm like, yo, but it's like, yo, it's.
But off of like,
bias.
I remember online when Southern Playalistic Cadillac Funky Music dropped. I remember that shit had a buzz, and then when Aquemini dropped, that shit sold out at Nobody Beats the Wiz at Bay Plaza the day it dropped.
Oh yeah, Aquemini. Yeah.
Yo,
By that time, by Aquemini,
niggas was fucking with Outkast hard. In
by
New York. Like,
Aquemini.
a lot of people forget when Harlem was fucking with No Limit harder than anything, and then Cameron had to get Master P for the Bow to remix.
Yeah, I was just about to say, like, also that time you're talking about, like, okay, again, I was like 10 or 11, but I was just like, yo, that's Southern rap. Like, yeah, sold out, but like even like Aquemini, they were on Total Request Live with Carson Daly, and I was like, you know what? Nah, that's Southern rap.
Wait a minute.
Like, I'm not messing with it.
Oh shit.
And it was crazy. Like, yo, Master P was like the most paid rapper out there. Like, he was doing reality TV shows post-rap career. Like,
I'm sorry.
I'll
cut your mic off. This has turned into a hip hop podcast. There are women and people listening, and them's listening. Now, like, what the fuck are these old heads talking about? Nigga, I am 21. We're gonna start a new podcast called it's called Victor's podcast, Victor's Videos. Oh shit, Victor's Videos. That's the new Rap City.
I do mad hair tutorials.
Yeah.
Yo, but shorties will pay for that.
We gotta do a Rap
City. I
City.
will come back like the Weekend 1.0.
Yo, we gotta do a Rap City, but for Pino, and have them do like freestyles, but freestyle blowjobs
about free or like
Yo,
freestyle.
get in the booth. Yo, Sarah J, get in the booth and suck a dick.
Yo, it's on a mic stand. There's a dildo on a mic stand.
That could work. We just gotta figure out how to do a live mic kind of thing out there.
Yo,
shit is like straight ASMR.
I'm doing way too much right now, but have you ever heard a porn star like critique another, adult entertainer's work?
Yep.
Yeah, they
really?
hate on each other all the time. They hate on each other all the time. If you look at them on Twitter, they stay hating on each other.
Yeah, you got to be a scumbag and follow them on the on their socials.
Because they'll be subbing each other all day. Like,
all day.
Yeah, like, yo, shorty, yeah.
Yo, shorty's not, like, she don't, and you can see the way she suck dick. She's low-key racist, but she's doing this shit for a check.
Yo.
That's the kind of shit you see.
That's the type of shit you say.
She don't even be fucking with black people. Look, she barely wanted to kiss me in the scene. Like, I don't want to make it hot for her, but she's disgusting.
Yeah, she did anal in her second scene. She's desperate.
She desperate. She already doing that. Yo, up next, we got Sarah J. Yo, Sarah J. I want to hear you just spit something right now. Yo, get in the booth. Get on that dick. Hey, hey. Hip hop. Get the balls. Yo, get the balls. Worth the shaft. Yo. Dig hop.
Yo. You throw massive pill over that shit.
Shorty looking mad dick with the mass appeal.
They gonna start just scratching and shit like
She's like, I wanna rap over the Dwick instrumental. I'm like, why?
Yo.
We're like, why? We don't get it.
She's like, yo, get it? Dwick, dick.
I was like, what?
I'm sucking Dwick. I'm gonna suck some Dwick.
Because the line, lemonade was a popular drink.
It still is. Yeah, I catch some props and stunts to Bruce Willis. Okay.
Somebody was like, we don't give enough props to male performers. Shout out to Tony Eveready. All right.
Yo, word. Shout out to OGs.
Only person to do a Pino 45 minutes out of getting released from county prison. Okay.
Yo, I don't know.
No shower.
Like, I feel like there's been controversy surrounding him, but like as a nigga who never takes his hat off, I got to shout out Mr. Marcus one time.
Yeah, Mr. Marcus. You know the thing is you don't really know the guy's name.
Names. It's just like, yo, there's a nigga. Yo, it's like football. So shout out to the niggas that have like a thing, so that it's like, yo, you remember me, nigga? I'm the nigga with the Timbs and the knee pads. You know what I'm saying? Like I rock the Simpson and knee pads and everything. So you know me. Even though you don't know my name, nigga, you be seeing me, nigga. I'm blowing these shorties up.
Sometimes you be watching it and it's like back to back and you're like, okay, all right, you got a chain. All right, I know that background.
Oh shit.
This nigga, I seen your man in mad things. And your man turn around, look at you. He be like, yo, so what's my name then? I'll be like, bro, I don't know.
Nigga, Tim.
Nigga be like, really?
Tim?
Like,
Tim? Is your name Tim? Is that what you went to? Timothy?
really, my nigga? Really, my nigga?
Like, wow. Yo, but you know what's wild? We got I've been to them, but I haven't I've been to them, but I've been way too fucked up to remember too much. But like I don't ever recall there being like a crazy buzz around dudes at like the expos. You know what I'm saying? Like niggas will have a booth and shit, but like I don't recall ever seeing like lying around the corner for a nigga and shit. Like,
well, the thing is, like, some of the niggas at the expo just be taking pictures with everybody on some wild shit, and then you got niggas at the expo that just like take the pictures and just put it on a regular Instagram that their coworkers be on, and not shaming, but I'm just saying like. Think about how your HR people go, you know, like, wow. Also, there used to be, when I used to, you know, back in my Pinot days, bro, there used to be, if you went to CES, because that's where they have the awards, and, the AVN awards.
Yep.
You could, if you were like actually at the CES presenting something for an hour ahead of time, they let you go and meet all this, like go to booth and meet people. And I was like, that's just weird. Also, it was like my first time in California, so I was like, I gotta get a fat burger. Yeah. I was like, listen, I'm going to Roscoe's, and then I'm going to the Bay Bridge and the family the Full House, and everyone's like, wow, you are so lost.
Wow, fam.
Wow.
You have no idea.
And I'm gonna shake these dreads in Oakland.
Yeah,
and,
I'm gonna do it all in one day.
All in one day. Uber, pick me up now.
You get in the Uber, the shit is $8,000. You're like, why is this shit? There must be a glitch. Whatever.
That doesn't
Let me
make
just
any
sit
sense.
back.
Hey, driver, take me to Northridge. And they're like, okay, all right.
Yeah.
Just heading for a nice day trip to Palo Alto, you know. Just want to see where Xerox was invented.
Yo, who does that? It's like the joke of Noah talking about Cleveland and shit. There's mad cities that are like probably cool and have cool things, but it's like, yo, I would never go there on vacation. You know what I'm saying?
I mean, it's like it's like OC. Every time people think of OC, they think of the show and everything. Yeah. That's like maybe 10% of OC. The rest of it is just meth labs and white supremacists.
Wow.
So, you know, it's
you know what I'm saying? Don't meet your heroes, or your hero locations. You know
or sometimes, or dare I say, sometimes you meet people and they're your hero, but you didn't know it.
Oh shit! Yo, imagine watching like Sex and the City or some shit, and then like finding like and then being like, I'm gonna move to New York. It's glamorous, and then being like, oh, yo, I'm gonna get an apartment. It's like New York is New York. New York City is New York City. I'm gonna get an apartment in Flushing, and then you get an apartment in Flushing, and you're like, wait a minute, this is not.
Well, those people, they tend to go harder for the New York experience because they're not gonna move here and be like, yo, I'm an idiot. I moved here and this shit is not working out. Like these people, they move. They're the ones that go to every open bar. They follow museum shit.
Oof.
They be going to like they plan to go to like fucking food festivals and shit. Regular New Yorkers, we don't do that shit. We only do that shit when we dating people. Be like, oh, you want to go to fucking Rose Palooza on Governor's Island?
Oh wow!
We gotta buy tickets in advance. We gotta bring food there. You serious, my nigga?
That's mad.
My nigga, I have lived my whole life until the age of 25, never going lower than 138th Street.
That is.
And now you want me to go to an island off the coast of Manhattan?
Nah.
Have you lost your fucking mind? What are you, a pirate?
You're wildin'.
Hold on. Let me eat some sauerkraut so I don't get scurvy.
Yo.
You know what I'm saying? Like,
well, how are we going to get there? In a dinghy?
Wow.
What's wrong with
I, mate. Let me go practice tying nautical knots.
Yo, what flag are we flying? You fucking idiot. I'm not going over there.
But that's how you sound afterwards when you think about it. Because at the time, when you all booed up, booed up, you're like, Rose Palooza. Sounds wonderful, honey.
Sounds great.
Then you jump in the air and click your heels together.
Yeah, like, you know you're about to go over there and get drunk and get wild toppings in. Like, you're both about to get super smacked.
Okay.
And you get smacked up, Rose?
Oh, okay, all right. I don't want to listen. Getting Toppington on Governor's Island is how you get coronavirus. I can say that without a fact. That is the only time you get Toppington, and the person giving Toppington, instead of spitting out a pubic hair, spits out a hypodermic needle. So, okay, and you people are like, Jesus, why are you going to say that? Why are you slandering Governor's Island? From my own house, I can walk to Governor's Island.
Oh, no.
The people on that path are not there waiting for Vampire Weekend, if you know what I'm saying. Vampire Weekend, the Ezra they're waiting for is probably a Hungarian drug dealer.
Fam,
okay?
There's so many
He's the
spots
guy
like
selling,
that.
he's the guy in Limitless selling the pills.
That's what I keep telling niggas, like, yo, there's so many spots like that in New York. Like, I painted a spot right under the Whitestone Bridge, and there's so many fiends down there. Just like Fiend City. It's like Amsterdam. Like, it's stepping over niggas sleeping and shit. Is wild. And there's match like spots by the tracks, like by 238.
All right, relax. All right, because there's different type of fiends. There's like drug fiends.
Oh yeah,
there's hip hop fiends.
Yo, hip hop. Oh yeah.
Hip-hop.
Yo, rapping the tracks. On the 238 third fucking Metro North tracks, there's a hip hop fiend. He's always breakdancing. He's always doing turtles on the tracks every time the train comes.
Since this is episode 200, a big announcement. I want to announce from now on, our episodes will have live scratching by DJ Hasan.
Yo.
He will not be scratching music we want to hear. He will be demonstrating professional scratching styles that are very intricate.
Facts.
And that if you heard him do in the club, you would automatically leave.
Yo.
In fact, he will start the scratching by talking over your favorite track and telling you not only what kind of scratch it is.
Y'all don't know shit about this scratch right
who
here.
Who invented it.
You know what I'm saying? This shit is called the crab scratch. You know what I'm saying?
And you know what fingers to use it.
You know what I'm saying? You got to use your right and your index thumb. You know what I'm saying? This was invented by Grand Wizard Theodore in the 70s.
And maybe he might tell us, you know, an anecdote of a time he used it in the last 5 years that has nothing to do with anything.
I used this one time at the tunnel. Capone and Noriega were performing. You know what I'm saying? I did the crab scratch. A nigga jumped in the crowd and hit him in the head with a bottle of Henny. It was wild.
Just in the crowd like... Yo, shout out to Pizza Zoo. I believe you guys should do Pizza Zoom.
Yo, Pizza
right
Zoom.
There.
Yo,
right there.
It's a layup.
Nah, Zoom server couldn't handle Pizza Zoo.
No, not at all.
Could not.
Yo, be 120 years in there. Like, yo,
the reggae room.
Shit.
The reggae room alone. Melting the servers. Okay,
man.
we're done.
Oh,
we have to shoot the show via FaceTime.
Party done. That's it.
Don't want that.
Yo,
shout out to Zoom, who I'm sure is owned by Vladimir Putin.
Oh yeah,
it's very convenient how Zoom was just there chill. No one ever heard of Zoom before.
Yeah, not
never.
At all.
It's weird. Like it seems like the kind of thing you might have stumbled upon before, or maybe heard a reference.
Yeah.
Now all of a sudden, everybody in the world is using Zoom to teach their kids, make TV shows, have relations, like meet their mates, and no one's asking any questions. Yo. Everyone's like, oh, Zoom's always been here.
Yo,
okay, hold on, wait. Okay. A little pop-up window just popped up in my Zoom session, and it said, "Talk less, my nigga." Head. But it said it in
there's
Russian,
like a laser dot.
Shit.
There's like a laser dot on your head. There's like a laser dot on your head. There's like a laser dot on your head.
There's a laser dot on your head too, brother.
Oh
shit.
Oh shit.
As a kid, I was like, "Oh wow, Biggie shot those guys."
Yeah.
But no, it was a hip hop sketch.
Yeah. Yo, that was wild. How'd he get all that audio?
Also, as someone who has fired guns, can I just say, going back and listening to any kind of skit on a hip hop album,
the guns sound mad fake.
Gunplay,
no guns, the guns don't sound like that at all.
The guns don't even sound like Call of Duty guns.
Not even. It was so bad.
If you go on the Mobb Deep album, it sounds like like Prodigy and Havoc are making it with they're like, yo, bust that gun, like pop, 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 brat, brat.
Yo, the G.O.D. Father Part 3 shit. Well, I'm like, yo, what, is this a snare, nigga? Like, are you niggas just using a snare as a gun? Yo,
I'm like, this is not,
that shit. The big pun, the pack in the back of the act sketch.
Niggas like
skit. Yo, I was like, yo, that's not what a fucking Mac sounds like, my guy.
Like, but if you gotta go back, you can listen to like old video games. They got shitty guns too.
Oh yeah. So throw out Metal Slug one time.
Actually, the new Modern Warfare, the guns are kind of shitty. The gun sound effects is kind of whack. I'm not gonna lie. I think the last
last Modern Warfare. Yeah.
The latest one, Modern Warfare, the one with Warzone and shit. The last one that got the guns right, I want to say was I would say Black Ops 2.
Black Ops 2?
Black
Okay.
Ops 2, because the K9 with the what is it? The KN97. That shit sounded like a fucking beat, and it had the kickback.
To
You know
me,
what I'm
it was Modern Warfare 2, because like Modern Warfare, the first Modern Warfare was like
K957.
oof,
Yeah.
that was a joint. The P90 in Modern Warfare 2, I was like, yo, son. I was like, these. I was like, yo, these sound like real guns. I was like, yo, this is like the pinnacle. I still think it's like the best. They remastered the first one. I feel like they should redo Modern Warfare 2. Remaster that shit.
Streets need that.
That shit
Need
slaps.
that.
Shit slaps. We quarantined down, B. You know what I'm saying? I talked to my moms. They're like, yo, they're talking about 24. They're talking about 24-hour lockdown in DR. I'm like, yo, good luck enforcing that.
Yeah, because everyone's doing like the little protests now. People are going to everyone's trying to get. People are going to governor's mansions and they're like, yo, open up the state. But like, they're not workers or something. Like, they just want niggas to like make lattes and shit. So
Yeah, I'm like, yo, that's very irresponsible. I'm like, yo, if y'all would listen, we probably could have a summer, but since y'all not, we're definitely not. So, thanks for fucking everything up, guys. Haha.
hate to see it.
School's officially closed for the whole year. Like, done so. I have no
And this
hope.
next generation gonna be dumb as fuck. Like,
It's wild. I'm so glad.
oh
that,
yeah,
like,
because schools was already shaking in America. Now you got
Yo.
niggas that listen to Dr. Oz and Dr. Phil teaching the students,
Yo,
or even
so
worse,
wild.
just putting them on their old shitty computers and not really paying attention.
oh
Ooh.
God. Oof.
Damn, Russia won, nigga.
Damn.
I just
I'm
realized
glad-
all these doctors, the doctor's followed by a first name, not a last name. That's how you know you can't trust them.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. Also, they're only everyone that got famous except for Robin, because she worked hard and she is a beautiful black woman. She smells good. She gives big hugs and she got that fatty.
Gang.
Sorry.
Sushi gang.
But everyone else made famous by Oprah is trash. Think about it. Dr. Oz, Dr. Phil, Bad Baby. Because think about it, in conjunction by Dr. Ifso Facto by Dr. Phil. Oprah's responsible for her.
It was trickled down, yeah.
Ayala Van Zant.
Yeah.
Even though she turned her back on Oprah and she had to pay for it, she got in good graces, but we'd only know about her through Oprah. So
see, that's why the Oprah.
I say that
the Oprah Illuminati shit is bullshit. Because if Oprah was really Illuminati, she would have been got Iyanla whacked mysteriously.
But I say that to say this. Oprah, if you'd like the slander to stop, contact Victor and put me and Mero in whatever. If you want us to remake It's Raining Men
You know what I'm
from In
saying?
Living Color and ruin our careers, as long as the check clears,
Well,
we
let's
will
do
so.
it.
Yo,
Okay?
say less,
Saying,
Oprah.
Listen, hated it.
Yo,
Like, I could do that.
Straight up,
I could do that. All right?
Yo, we'll totally fuck up Color Purple too and be wild offensive and just destroy its legacy. You know what I'm saying?
I will remake it, and I want everyone to leave the theater at the end. It's like, oh wow, it was her clit. Her clit was the color purple.
Wow, get it? No.
Then as the credits are rolling, everyone's like, oh, happy day. Oh, happy. Everyone's like, wow, Sarah J was really good in this movie.
Yo, she was amazing. Powerhouse.
Sarah J's like, as long as you do bad by me, nothing good is going to happen to you.
yo. Oh, you guys are two big black studs.
Oh, my God. All my life, I had to fight the cock.
Look at you. Look at all my life I had to fight hung cocks.
All right? But I don't know how to fight. All I know how to do is stay alive in a threesome. I'm like, wow. They're like, the color purple too. Exclusively through Vixen Video. I'm like, oh shit.
Oh shit, word?
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh, that's what we do? Okay, a little bit.
Executive produced by Janice Griffith. I'm like, oh wow.
Yo,
wow. I get in the DMs like,
Yo.
what's up with that uncolor corrected copy though?
Yo, it's good. Yo,
Check
you
that
did
director's
that.
cut.
You know what I'm
Yo.
saying? Holla at your boys.
Yo, you going to Cannes. This is mad good, my nigga.
Yo, it's just lit.
Yo.
Yo, what's up with that Pornhub Premium?
This nigga wants to beat his meat to premium porn.
Yo.
My, how you changed.
Wow, how dare you.
Whatever happened to old Mero that used to beat his meat to AVIs on 3.5 floppies?
Yo, shout out to AVIs.
Put it in your think jet. Yeah,
know what I'm saying?
ThinkPad. There you go.
Ooh.
Start rubbing on the little red.
Yeah.
Start rubbing on the little red clip. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Right there between the J key and the M key. Yeah,
Listen,
you know what I'm talking about.
I'm gonna keep it funky. I think just as important as, you know what I'm saying, Prosciutto and Yesenia and Michael Anthony is the VLC player, B, and the Bodega Boys universe, because that shit is very socio-friendly. You know what I'm saying? Socio-inclusive. You know what I'm saying? Like any file format, nigga, that you guys socio shit on, it got you, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like, shit is super, it's clutch.
You seen that new shit, the Blessing Loom scam?
Oh yeah, the little stupid circle thing where it's like, yo, you give the guy $100 and I give you this $100, and then once you get to the middle, you get $100. I'm like, get this fucking fake, like,
People were scamming off that. The nigga in the middle is making like $800 a pop.
Oh,
Shout out to you if you was out here scamming stupid people, and shout out to people that got scammed and now going mad hard trying to get other people to do it so they can make up the money that they scammed. Because now your stupid ass puts your rent in. And now you're like, oh, I didn't know. How was I supposed to know it was a pyramid scheme, bro?
2020 spooky times, niggas getting scammed by memes.
Niggas
like, yo,
yes.
You saying?
Yeah.
And I see a couple people in my Instagram feed got the fucking they got the circle with people's names in it. I'm like, oh, damn.
And they're like, cash at me.
Yo,
oh, come on.
Yikes.
Come on, bro.
Yikes.
Come on, bro. You got to think better than that, bro.
Yo. It's fucking
come on,
crazy.
you're better than that, bro. Come on, you can. Is this SNL? Because you're about to be finesse Mitchelled. Come on, bro. Come on, bro.
Yo. I'm like, yo.
So let me get this straight. The same Loom game we played in grade school. Someone just added people's names to it. You're putting $100 in, and you expect to win $1,500.
Yeah, right, pal.
Yeah.
I'll do 150 March Madness brackets before I do that.
That's called. There's a word for that. It's called being stupid. Okay?
You know what I'm saying? Give me Super
Think
Bowl
about
fucking boxes all day.
Remember, there is no such thing as easy money.
Facts.
Until you get money. Then there's such a thing as easy money.
You know what I'm saying?
Once you get money, easy money comes all the time.
Yeah.
Life makes no fucking sense. Once you get money, clothes comes all the time, sneakers comes all the time, money comes all the time. Until you reach that point, there is no easy money. And me and Mero had to learn the hard way. Okay?
What?
Okay? Me and Mero had to do shows with gravy stains on our shirts. You know what I'm saying?
Fam, she was serious, bro.
Okay.
No type of shape up.
What about the time? All right,
make a ridiculous face and jump in the air.
People saying Desus and Mero never struggle. What about the time for Crafty we had grilled cheese? Huh?
Wow.
Okay?
Y'all forget.
Civil rights legends.
You know what I'm saying?
Skinny legends.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Word.
Okay.
That's literally torture. We were torturing ourselves. We're both highly lactose intolerant eating grilled cheeses because that's all that we had available to us.
All right, you might be going a little. You know, actually, you're right. We've been in Guantanamo.
Straight
we
up.
literally survived Guantanamo.
Straight up.
Okay, and by Guantanamo, I mean the indecency of having to pay full price for macaroni and cheese at the Viacom cafeteria.
Talk about it.
Huh?
Talk about
Did
it.
Charlemagne have to pay for? Oh yeah, he did.
Yeah, he
All
did.
right,
Yeah.
All right. Yeah.
I mean, but still, it's still kind of like, you know, whatever.
It was cool though. It's fine. It was all right.
Yeah, well, I mean,
Niggas
you know.
was mad. You know. Remember when the time they were cool?
That time niggas got paid to go there and
remember they tried to make fun of you and they made Dominican Day at the cafeteria.
Yeah.
And they made the pork and the rice and beans and it was really good.
It was really good. And then I ate it and I was like, I went back for more. I was like, yo.
we back. Yeah, it was really wow. Yeah. Okay.
But the computer sucked. The computer
The
sucked.
computers were terrible.
It's
What do we
trash.
have, like Tandy? We had Tandy computers.
Yo, straight up. We had straight Oregon control computers.
I was like, yo, I can't open my email. They was like, yo, you gotta bring a processor from home. I was like, who the fuck got a leftover processor?
Niggas is like, yo, niggas said Outlook. Outlook, you thought.
Outlook don't look so good.
It's like,
Nothing but hits.
Outlook, shit questionable.
All right. Niggas, I was like, how do I check my Gmail? They was like, I don't know, you gotta log. They was like, what AOL dial-up number are you using? I was like, wow. I was like, I'm using the second one. I'm using the second one because it's not as popular. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I'm like, word. I'm kind of close to Queens, but Queens.
Matter of fact, you know what? Fuck it. I don't usually do this, but yo, throw in that one for Hartford. You know what I'm saying?
As a backup.
I'll deal with it when it comes up later on the long distance bill.
Yeah.
And my mother's like, who called Hartford? I'm like, oh, gotta go.
Oh, yikes. Like, yo, Hartford. I don't know nobody in Hartford.
There's two things, like, kind of growing up in New York, people we have to be afraid of. doing the wild, like back in the day, doing the wild reckless long distance phone call, or stealing your parents' car and then having that shit come up on the Easy Pass. Woo! Nigga, my parents turned into John Benet Ramsey investigators.
Fam.
It was like, White Stone? Who went across the White Stone at 3 p.m.? I'm like, fuck!
Shit,
why didn't I pay the toll?
Yo, nigga, I remember I ran that light right there, 4B, dog. There's a light right when you come off across Bronx at Westchester Ave, and I ran the light, B. I was sick because the shit took a picture of the car, and it takes a picture of the car and it mails it to your crib.
Yep.
Like, yo, the crib that your insurance is under. And I'm like, no. I was like, no.
I remember I did that, and my mother was like to my father, she was like, what are you doing in Long Island? And my father, because, he was out there getting it, he was like, well, like, he did a quick pause, like, wait a minute. Am I seeing a bitch on Long Island? Wait a minute, I'm in the right here. So he's like, what are you doing? What are you accusing me? And then they looked at all their kids. Oh, my sister's like, one sister's watching TV, one's in nursing school, the other one can't even drive. And then there's me, the boy. And I'm like, they're like, are you in Long Island? And I was like, who? I'm going out to Long Island for Choach.
For what?
Come on. Now, if you don't mind, I'm going to leave at 8 and I'll be back at 12. And, I'll probably smell like Sonic. So, like, it's just like, let me go, bro. No, I did that once with the, no, my father did that at White Place Road and Gun Hill Road where they meet. And he got the wild, because, if you can tell from the outside, it's the red light photograph, the bill. So he got it. But he had gone to Florida because he only came up here for a week and he was running around doing errands and shit. And I was like, I'm not trying to violate, but you got a red light ticket. Like, you're in Florida. Like, what do you want me to do? He was like, I'm not paying it. This is all made up. The government just doing it to trap people. If you just park weirdly or you go a little bit into the sensor, it takes a photo. And I was like, all right. He was like, open it. I bet you I'm not even wrong. Yo. My man looked like
under the light in the cross.
My man looked like dude from Walking Dead in the beginning of Walking Dead where he's on the horse in the middle of the highway. Your man had clearly ran the light. The light had been red for like 45 seconds at this point. Like your man, he parked the car in the middle of the intersection, came out, threw up the X. It was like BX all day. And I was like, yeah, you should probably just pay this. He was like, you're probably right. I was like, yeah. I was like, you in the wrong. There's nothing worse when you're driving and then you go through a red light and you feel that big white flash behind you of the light. If it's taking your car's photograph, you like,
oh man.
But then you never get a photograph and you're like, what happened?
Did I skate on?
What happened?
Yo,
was that God? Was that Big L? The Big L blocked the camera?
He was like, yo, fuck that. Yo, you ain't getting no ticket, nigga.
They're like, I have to throw out this ticket. Yo, the photograph it's too flamboyant.
Yo, I shot God.
Yo.
Yo, Big L Sister Wall Street. Yo, I shot God in the face. Like, yo, what, nigga? Yo. The fuck you?
He lived in heaven. I shot him in hell. I shot the God in the face. I wished him well. Like, shit, this heathen spitting.
Yo, shit. Yo, I'll never forget the time. I feel like I might have said this on like episode like fucking 13. I will never forget the time I was at a fucking house party, smacked out of my mind, and niggas were freestyling to the Missy Elliott Jay-Z song, the Wake Up. That beat, because that beat was fire. I think it was Timberland. That beat was fucking fire. Niggas were freestyling to that shit. And this one dude jumped in the cypher mad drunk and just said, he's like, yo, I'll shoot a hole through the Bible, and then just stopped rapping. And everybody was like, yo, is that it? Are you gonna keep rapping? Like, you're supposed to keep rapping. That's the whole point of this shit. It's a cypher. Nigga said, nah, I'm just
rapping. Keep rapping.
I'm gonna just jump in and be like, yo, I shoot out to the Bible, and then step off. Mic drop. Line of the year.
Why are they trying to really restart sports again? Like, don't they know niggas gonna die?
They're wilding. But you know what? They're gonna end up killing. It's gonna be fucked up because they're gonna end up murking superstars by accident.
Nah, I don't think any superstars gonna play. Like, I don't think any player in there. I mean, they might be losing money, but you can't tell me KD is like in a rush to get back on the court.
No, they're making mad money, sponsorships and shit, and yo, fam, there's a union. Anytime you have a union, best believe that you're pretty secure, and depending on, it's depending on the strength of your union, but by and large, if you're unionized, you be alright. And there's an NBA Players Association that definitely is holding them niggas down right now. Like, yo, y'all niggas getting paid, don't worry. You know what I'm saying? If you would do 20 mil, you getting 20 mil. You can sleep at night.
Yeah, they just said they're cutting it by 20. They're either giving them 25% or cutting it by 25%. So that shit's fucked up because like now we know athletes and shit. So now it's like, damn, like niggas like them niggas is rich. And I was like, nah, not like niggas got bills, shit.
Yo, niggas don't understand when you get rich. That's why I'm I'm glad that I live in a house and not like some crazy mansion or some shit. Because if you have a crazy mansion or some shit, you gotta have a staff. You can't just like clean the shit yourself or call like a cleaning lady. You know what I'm saying? Or like that's a bad, terrible term, a cleaning person. You know what I'm saying? Fucking, you got a fucking estate. You know what I'm saying? Who's gonna clean your tennis court? You know what I'm saying? Like you? You know what I'm saying?
True.
Like that. Like niggas don't understand. But that's great. I'm
You
like,
gotta get the ghost of Big L to do that shit.
You know what I'm saying? Facts. Like, yo, I'll clean your tennis court.
Shit.
Yo, clean your shit. And then I shoot a bitch. Like, yo, L.
Could you stop? L, please go take care of the koi pond over there.
Good
Niggas
shit.
is going through it, bro.
Yo, I'll clean your koi pond. And then I shoot a bitch in the tampon. Like, yo. My man.
L, stop, please.
My
L.
man.
Shout out to Big L.
Yo,
We're gonna dedicate this episode to him, the Big L Experience, episode 200
that's
of the
right.
world's most dangerous quarantine podcast. It's been your boy Desus Nice, aka Young Chipotle, aka Pocket Stay Fat like Terrio, aka Pocket Stay Fat like. Here we go. Go put the kids in there, and be sure to check out the girl with all the gifts. Yeah, she's like one of those kids. She's looking for the homies. So, but I might know your bitch. Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Dollars with Arando, Mil Novus de Veta Quattro, Mikhail going off, the Juve Boss, MC the Google P, putting up for 40 with your shorty, and don't talk to me in the Uber pool. I don't know you. Don't make a fuss on Jesus Rossi and the Jamaican Jew, Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pa, the Ghost of Mufasa, Young Chacoonery without the coonery. A.K.A. Chili Lamone, left-handed reliever for the Yankees, Kalo K.
Oh, papi, they're trying to make me play. I don't want to play.
Papi, they say we have to come back, you know, con medida, you know.
No.
I don't feel so good.
No, I don't.
It's not the corona, it's just, you know, when I pee.
Corona,
I hurt.
Corona,
It hurt. I have to hold on to the pipe because, you know, it hurts and I pee out the little pus, you know.
Oh, no, that's not good, papi. That's not good.
I tell my wife she gave it to me, so she feel bad now. So,
Okay,
you know,
it's okay.
But
But
smart
papi,
man.
You go to medical, okay, papi?
I don't go to medical. That's for maricon, you know. I don't do that. I don't know that.
Yeah.
Why is that like the one Spanish word I know?
Because you grew up because every
I grew up in New York, nigga.
Every New York nigga knows that shit.
You know how many fights I've had? Because I don't know. Like, they're saying mad shit. I'm like, what he say? What he say? I'm like, whatever. Get the fuck out of here, rice and beans, you fucking meat nigga. They be like, yo, I'm like, get your assy ass out of here, nigga. Take your shit back to Carrot King, all right?
Niggas be like, coño, mariconazo.
Excuse me? Excuse me?
Mariconazo.
Maricon, Moreno, all that shit. I'm like, let's go. Let's fucking go. Wetback don't bring the same heat you want.
Yeah,
Spick, though, in a pinch, if they hit you with nigga, you fucking spick. And then everyone is just like, because a lot of people have never heard that word. And then other people were like, bro, that's like a 1980s, 1990s term for
like,
Hispanics.
yo, bro, that's a good one, bro.
Bro, don't take that, bro. Bro,
That's
I
ours.
haven't heard that. I haven't heard that since the Koch days, bro.
Bro, you can't say that unless you're from fucking Staten Island, bro.
Bro. Then you gotta
They're like,
take
yo,
it
that's
old school.
cultural appropriation, bro.
You gotta take it mad old school. You be like, shut the fuck up, you wop. And they were like, yo, bro.
Yo, that's hurtful, bro.
Bro, this nigga spitting. Wow.
Whoa.
Do all the classics. Yo, my man, do Free Bird. Oh, man. Sorry for the racism, guys. Sorry for the first time we've ever been racist on our podcast. Sorry, y'all. You know,
it's the first time for everything.
you know. you know the fucking vibes.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Yeah.
Oh shit, where were we? We were at we was at Racist O'Clock.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. 24
There you
Jones,
go.
DJ Maka,
Hey.
J Chuckle, Stanley Cups, the human Dr. Bond's label, dilute.
Tree time.
So good.
Oh, yeah.
Leonardo DiCaprio, Mr. 24 Pico like Pino, blurry.
Super blurry.
as so blurry that it's just blurry.
Yeah.
It's just blurry.
It's like,
it's so blurry. If you were beating your meat and someone walked into the room, they would be like, "Yo, why are you watching iTunes screensavers on your TV?
Why are you jerking off to Virtual Fighter 2?
Yo, what is this? Yo, what is this shit?
Why are you watching Polygons fucking?
It's DJ Woolite, aka the Washington, the Wash FM. Up next, we got MCA.
Yo.
Cause he's just straight up menace.
Yeah.
All right, Loke. Yeah. Shout out to everybody that knows what song this is from.
Somebody help me, but nah, they don't hear me though. I guess I'll be another victim of the
FCA with the straight up menace shit. You know what I'm saying?
Oh shit.
Hip hop, real hip hop. Yo, shout out to Curry. Yo, I'm the Curry Goat. Jesus Spice, Jamal Hasper, the Bronx, Celine Dion, the Ray nephews, the Marino, you can't contain no human man with the jaw. Young Aaron, the racist provocateur, Henrik Budquos.
Oh my God.
Nelson Bangdella, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Buffin, the human world is melting in your mouth. Mr. Bexon Decadent, Ricky Tiki Squaggy, Greg Popovich, Morris Chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee. But he got it. I got you. I got it for that quarantine.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? And I don't believe in social distancing because that's a white man thing.
No, Babylon thing, pure Babylon
Listen,
thing, man.
The Juice is impressed, but your boy never is. Shout out to Juice Press. Shout out to the proud workers at Juice Press, delivering my care package every Tuesday and Thursday.
Yo,
salute to you.
You know what I'm
all
saying?
right, keep those
Big
green
up.
and red juices coming.
Big
I am the
up.
art, damn it. The Dundada Ganoush, no more cup of noodles, the Prince of Peckham, Fashion Over, Cast Nova. We make $10, $5, $10, $10. Forget the small change, you ain't. The only anthem I salute is Dipset. Mr. Saga, catch me at square one, top left man's his mom.
Yo, don't cheese me.
We should break it. Listen, everyone in Toronto, if things go bad and you're homeless, break into Drake's house. You have at least 3 months before he even notices you. Okay? It's a movie right there. It's unoccupied. Just go live in just live in the sneaker room. It's gonna take him 2 years to even get down there. He'll be all right.
He'll be good.
Yo, Mrs. Soft Plus, all I do is count checks and jerk off. We got OJ, Purple Stuff Soda, and it's me, Sonny G. David Yerman, these expensive, these is red by the Jesus Bloody Shoes. Smoking, Andrew Kuhn, and aka the Junior Energy God, Junior, come sit down, pop me charge.
Yo, sit bunny.
You got my bitch on freeze, the topic of gossip site. I said, shout out to the 11791. Why you on the train if you're not an essential worker? Hey, Grandpa Joe, because when you see Charlie, you see me. Don't touch that golden ticket. It's your man, Dead Eye Jesus. Good morning, Sheriff. Be ashamed if I did nothing because your store is closed, so I'll probably try to shoplift on the website. Okay, I'll leave you.
All right, thanks,
Miss
man.
Stopping that street easy with a bad breeze like I'm easy. Please believe me. The black Asiatic addict will crack your back like an automatic craftmatic. Miss La Marina, Miss Marina with a fresh Miss Marina on a cord. I mean, nah. She nice killer, illa. No one will be illa. The black Zach Morris, support Morris, young KPR for your marketing execs, your man, personal Jesus, aka your problematic Bay. It's not a secret family. If you ignore them and, I don't know, tape their door closed and nail down their windows and pump a little carbon monoxide into their house because, you know, you're under pressure and you don't have to feed these people anymore in the middle of a pandemic and, well...
It's all good.
Up next, we got the Kid Mero.
Yeah, that's right. It's your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Direct Flap, a.k.a. Donovan McDab, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Skirt. Loaded up the curve, bitch. Don't keep it moving. Ask me if I give a fuck. No, because I need to get the fuck out of here because I will be arrested because I am non-essential. A.k.a. I don't fucking baby, I fucking man, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. no need to check the guest list. This is fucking... I don't even know. What battle is this now, bro? Come on. This is getting out of hand. Who is this? What is this? Is this a Smack? Is this somebody just playing a Smack DVD and recording it, bro? This is terrible. Come on. I'm logging off. Fuck this. AK CC Dab Mafia. AK Tiger Backwoods. Smoke a 3 gram blunt and hit you with this 9 iron if you try to get too close. 6 feet max minimum. You know what I'm saying? AK getting to the shmoney and the smoke. It's your boy Goldman Schmack. You know what I'm saying? AKA I have Phil Murphy. You know what I'm saying? Personally. You know what I'm saying? I put the call in. You know what I'm saying? And made dispensaries essential. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? That was me. I did that. You know what I'm saying? I had to fill the bust some balls. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Best Mac Biombo, a.k.a. D.A. Maradona, a.k.a. Dick in your baby Matombo. You can, come with this pussy no more because of social distancing. But when we return to normal activity, I would like at least 14 days before I enter that pussy. And also, I would like your full consent and agency because I respect it. I love you. You're my queen. You know what I'm saying? AKA Barlow Santana, so smooth. I fall asleep at the wheel and crash my Gran Turismo car on PS4. You know what I'm saying? And then I wake up and that shit is just like, yo, rest mode, we out here. AKA there's a minute da take my daddy, wait till we open the shit, nigga, I'm out here. AKA I'm gonna type my card again, there's definitely money on it. Don't make me embarrass you in front of the Genius Farm. And they come up here and they ask for quick selfies and ask me how the kids are. You like your little Mero's computer job, Mr. MacBlock? Huh? Put the fucking toilet paper in the cart and let me check out. I don't care if it's gonna take 6 weeks to get here. AKA Romeo Santos, tu favorito, mami. So Sandy, let me black out. Yo, what day is it? Is it Thursday or Wednesday? I don't even know. I don't care. I haven't shaved in 2 months. Yo, it's lit. AKA Light Little Dutchie. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes that you can't come near my hive. AKA my crib, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to be the dramatic and autistic. AKA Tom Brady, you got my balls deflated, you know what I'm saying? Because I don't give a fuck about social distancing. AKA feel the assets and I want to exploit your cosmos. But consensually, when they lift the ban of activity. You know what I'm saying? AKA Lil Susie for the first nigga to tap out on live bench social distancing before Corona. AKA Final Messi and Picture Lato. AKA Daniel Benefield. Now you gotta get some sticks. AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you to smoke with me.
4K where?
At Mama Sushi when they reopen in 2040. You know what I'm saying? AKA Ben Boston. My hands are gifted. Have you ever in your life avoided having any type of accountability in an administration that is completely inept? I have, and I'm still Eurostepping accountability. Suck my dick from the back. Can I get the strap? I'll open your motherfucking medicine cabinet. You know what it is. It's the Sin Man. It's gonna be the weed at my butterboat. AK Rico Sabroso. AK Baby Nupo 245 niggas come garbage down the way. You know what I'm saying? And I'll just drop my shit out the window wrapped in Clorox wipe. You feel me? Because I'm trying to keep you safe. AK Nino Brown shut the car down. You know what I'm saying? And I still pay my workers more than Ellen. You know what I'm saying? Word up. AK live from the you know what I'm saying? AK live from the corner of fucking Jamaica Boulevard. Ignoring all fucking suggested curfews. It's the East Street by Stevie B, way out of his fucking zone in a different borough. Wildin' out, doing all his greatest hits like I wanna be the one your DD is fucking and Dope Sick Love. Don't let me leave. I don't respect social distancing cause I'm a fiend. You know what I'm saying? AKA, shh. Come on, mate. I have to tell you this multiple times a week now. There's only 2 rock stars left, the Bodega Boys, mate, of which I am one. The plans ain't sleeping over in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont on a Zoom call with people who are following rules. You know what I'm saying? AKA, I met Mike Princess, I'm never gonna fail. AKA playing, you know what I'm saying? AKA playing NBA 2K in Portland, smoking legal. It's Marmelos and Bitters.
For 3.
Bang! You know what I'm saying? Oh, his player score just went up from a 74 to a 72. Oh, that's actually bad. I'm sorry. I'm apologizing. AKA, if you see me on Target.com, higher than a baby giraffe standing on an adult giraffe, you know what I'm saying? Approach me like an Ursa mammal, nigga, because how the fuck did you get in my house? I'm about to murk you. You know what I'm saying? AKA, hey, kids. It's Benzo the Clown. Hi, for me, kid's birthday party. I'll show up after it's late. Even though it's a Zoom chat, I'm just going to share the screen with Mr. Funfoot here. Please don't try anything wild.
You guys just make sure you lock the door. Now, we're gonna do the first part of this without clothes. So if you kids just wanna like get in front of your webcam, you know, just so. Oh, okay, I gotta go.
Mr. Funfun, did you say without clothes? Get in the car. Let's go. I got the deposit.
Remember, he is a good guy. I gotta go. Vote for Ben Shapiro. I'm out.
AKA, I saw Fake Lazy, your favorite song rapper. They just DIYing it themselves right now in my garage. My garage is the new D&D. There is 60 lil somethings in my garage right now just drinking all the chemicals and doing all the fucking music in the world. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to just do a collaboration album of the niggas in my garage drinking my shit, my oven cleaner. You know what I mean? AKA, papi, tú sabes que hora es. Hasan, tírame la fucking pista. Oye, que lo que va, llegó el hecho de fibra. Baje chuque con la tabla soba y la pámpara prendida, coño, la verde de grasa.
con pinta de tinta. Y no sé, dime a ver qué es lo que tú dices, mamá huevo. La que me ven banda de la casa ahí que van a ver, coño. Va a salir con el maquinón, con la puerta cayendo para arriba. Y con dos locas, con la chapa nuevecita hecha. No sé que la pagó todo tigre, no yo. Porque yo no soy un fucking rap. A.K.A. el papi de la ley. Soy yo también, tú sabes, pero no tanto, tú sabes, porque yo soy un tigre casado. Yo me voy a calmar un chico. Shout out Showtime la casa, shout out Cash App, you know what I'm saying? Shout out Hasan y hay que poner la fucking nota. Shout out Desus, bueno, la nota, Jamaiquina, yes. One time for you, man. Es que shit, shout out Víctor Marte, el papi de la lady. 24 kilos de imagen esa melena. Eso es aceite de coco puro, you know what I'm saying? De Kiwi Island, una isla que tú ni conoces, mamá huevo. Es que shout out la nena de la bodega, dale, la más dura, la planta eléctrica, la maestra del yoga. You know what I'm saying? Si tú llamas a Clever Torres, si tú te llamas Clever Torres, dale por los días, mi loco, que Eva no habla español. ¿Tú me entiendes? Entonces yo puedo decir esta vaina y él no sabe lo que estoy diciendo. Y si él le pregunta a él, ella le puede decir, no, he's talking about something else. You know what I'm saying? Shout out Vicky, la más loca toda, coño. Ojalá que te viva todavía. Es que hay piecitos de mierda y muerte para Celín, coño. Que deje de joder. Shout out mi presidente, pienso que da defensa activo con el cañón. Aviso que me lo suelto. Pronto le invitaba a mi hermano Friki que descanse para mi hermanito sexual y ya con el Cruz Towns, la doña. A.K.A. quédate en la casa. Lávate la fucking mano, asqueroso. Este presidente eso no sabe ni mamá Toto, no le hagan caso, ¿ok? Me quité ya 200.
Yo, but episode 200, the most illustrious podcast in the building. Yo, shout out to Showtime. Still got the show out there, number one show late night. Still coming on Monday, Thursday. New episodes, you know what it is.
All that shit.
Made up shit.
Bodega Tunes on deck, you know what I'm saying?
Also got Bodega Tunes, you know what I mean? Shout out to Cash App still supporting us. You know what I'm saying? And, stay safe, avoid that rotor, and we out.
Holla.
Corona!